pinagdaanan namin ni Mama together. Kasi single mom.
I love my mom. I love her so much because when every 5 seconds, I say, I love you, Mama, every 5 seconds.
Of course naman.
I love
Mom, Mama, I love Mama so much. Mama is always there for all of us. Napaka-protective, tsaka best friend na best friend. Like, you can tell her anything. So kind. Parang feeling mo minsan hindi ka deserving para maging daughter niya. Yung ganun na ganun eh. I love her so much.
Very much. Siguro iba yung naging experience ko kay Mom compared sa kanilang dalawa kasi syempre may support na rin siya ni Daddy. Lumaki kami ni Mom together. So, marami din akong pinagdaanan with my mom. When no one's there for her, nandyan ako for her. No matter what, she's my one and only mom. Super ko siya love. Mom, we are always here for you. And hindi mo ako pinabayaan growing up. Kahit na teenager ka lang nung time na yon. And marami ka rin pinagdadaanan nung time na yon. I think naman, okay naman ako. And a big part of that is because of the love she showed me. Never niya siniraan yung papa ko.